You absolutely need to know this. Your factory, airport, or utility facility could be at risk, and you don't even realize it. Every year, thousands of incidents occur due to overheating equipment and undetected fires. Traditional security systems simply aren't enough. Are you ready for the next safety disaster? Or do you want to prevent it before it happens? The ACTI A370 series is equipped with 640 x 500 resolution thermal imaging, detecting even the slightest temperature changes. NETD less than 35 mK. This means it can detect temperature differences as small as 0.035 degrees Celsius. In factories, it monitors steel furnaces and chemical processing lines, preventing overheating disasters. In utilities, it identifies abnormal temperatures in power transformers and gas facilities before failures occur. In airports, it safeguards baggage conveyors and aircraft maintenance areas against overheating risks. The ACTI A370 series doesn't just detect fires, it uses deep learning AI technology to recognize suspicious activities. Dynamic fire detection for up to 10 fire points ensures instant identification of fire hazards, whether in an airport runway or a chemical storage facility. AI intrusion alerts detect unauthorized access, object movement, and security breaches. No need for constant manual monitoring. Are you really going to wait for an accident to happen before taking action? Don't wait. Protect your factory, airport, or utility facility today with the most advanced AI thermal imaging system on the market. Click the link below to learn more and get started now.